Hi guys! Let's... Hi! I saw it already! Let's unbox, guys!
That's right. I forgot about the snow toys.
Gosh, let's unbox! Oh, I thought it will arrive tomorrow, but it's too early. And here we go. Let's unbox. Oh, gosh. Yeah. Let's unbox the toys from Amazon. Oh, there are how many? Ding ding. This is the snowman, guys. Gosh, ching ching. I'm gonna use this. I love it. Okay, and then there's this one. Second, this is, ooh, it's a heart. Ching ching. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna bring this one tomorrow. And oh, there's color green. What is this? Ah, it's cutie. It's a snowball. Oh, sweet, thank you so much. And fifth one. OMG, the itik. The itik one, guys. Of course, I am itik. Ching. I love this snow one though. So, I have 4. Okay, meron na tayong pang-update sa ating video. Thank you so much, sweets. Bye-bye.